that's where I was staying when I was here, but now we're at the AC Marriott. And that's just because the rate is a lot cheaper for the final night at the AC Marriott. It's like $150 cheaper or some bullshit like that than what I was gonna get over there for Sunday night. So, and it's not bad. It's just a short little jaunt. Headed to the SkyTrain right now to get Kerstin. As you can tell, airport is very close, which is why I haven't been able to put the drone in the sky yet. Would have been dope to get some drone footage, but would be highly irresponsible of me, given how close these planes are flying.
Welcome aboard the ATL SkyTrain. Please hold on. This train is departing. Next stop is Airport Station.
6 a.m. Kerstin and I are headed to New York first, then to Cartagena next, and then we party. Alright, we're finally pushing off to taxi for a takeoff to Cartagena. We're about an hour late from our scheduled takeoff time. So we will land there, I think, now closer to 4:30 instead. And we've already been sitting on the plane for over an hour. Thumbs down. Alright, it is night number 1 in Cartagena, and Kerstin and I are going to walk to go get some ceviche at the cevicheria. And if there's no ceviche there, she's going to be really upset. But I think we're going to be in good business. I got to find a cash machine too, though. That guy was also here. And we are back at the walled city this morning, and we're gonna go tour it in the daylight so Kerstin can see it for the first time with sun, because it's easier to see shit when the sun's out. We are in the walled city and just had a little snack at this restaurant. And yes, we went to a Mexican kitchen in Colombia. It was very delicious though. Alright, I have no idea what's going on in the hotel right now, but I think there's a Colombian wedding going on, as I saw everyone dressed in kind of your tan or your like chino style pants for the men, and women were wearing nice colorful dresses, but all the men were wearing white tops, and I think the rooftop deck was taken at the hotel. I'm gonna go check it out. Okay, so it is definitely a wedding going on. Front desk said I shouldn't crash it, but I'm gonna try to walk by it just so we can see what a Colombian wedding looks like. Alright, that is a wedding going on, but it's not my wedding, so I'm gonna be polite and not crash the wedding. Alright, crashed at a wedding, smoked a cigar with the father of the bride. Now I'm at a rooftop party, on the wall.
Y miren eso, miren eso. Chicos, échense para atrás. Entra, vamos, entra conmigo, vamos. Vamos, vamos.
How can you not love this city? Alright, it is Thursday, and we are heading out to Peru to go to Playa Blanca. I am not doing any work today because it was annoying Kerstin, so we're just gonna go and have a good time. Alright, we are at Playa Blanca. This is about 20-25 minutes outside of Cartagena, and yeah, it's probably right up Kerstin's alley. Alright, we are headed from Playa Blanca out there somewhere, We're on the 10th floor looking for the executive lounge, but we found this cool ass view. Good thing Kerstin is much smarter than I am, because I would have got us locked out. She said we should check the doors first. So she is the reason why we are not locked out. So we're headed to the executive lounge, and this is where I said Marriott needs to make their experience more consistent across all their hotels. Because at Marriott, sometimes there is an executive lounge and sometimes there's not. And it's confusing for those of us that are Platinum and Titanium members that we don't know if there is one or not. But we found it, so we're good. Kerstin and I are at the Hilton. We came down here because we decided we wanted to go to drink a little bit more and get out of the walled city area and go down to a little bit more tourist area and drink and party. So cheers. Right, so last night we left the area that we were at, which is really close to the walled city, and we came out more to the resort area, which is out in Moros. We also went to Old Town, did some dancing. I think I might have some video of that, and we'll be able to get that posted. So quite the change. I think the Ermita was my favorite hotel, but it is nice to kind of get a break, to go out and kind of do some more westernized stuff. So.
I was impressed with our food that we ate over there, the shrimp. It's solid. Like what is it?
So this is the best part of traveling, is all the people that you get to meet and have fun with. Oh, I got a little bit. Fuck you. Fuck you. I'm having some tequila. But yeah, you meet a lot of fun people, and yeah, like. All right, Kerstin and I are on one last mission to find her dad's present. She got some gifts for herself as well. And we need a cash machine. And then I think we'll be done and might be able to get like 15 minutes of pool time in if we do this right.
We got the best Doritos ever. So good here.
Amazing trip, spent a week out here. did a lot of fun stuff. Now we both get to go home. All right, that was an incredibly long travel day. Left Cartagena left the hotel Ermita in Cartagena at about 12:30 this afternoon Eastern time. It is now 1:30 a.m. Central time. Questioning the authenticity of American Airlines flight delay going from Charlotte to MSP. They said it was something on the plane, but we sat there at the gate for about an hour on the plane, and then 4 people boarded, got seated, and then all of a sudden, problem magically fixed on the plane, and we were able to back out and take off. So I think it was more about getting those 4 people on the plane than it was about, fixing something on it. So I don't know, kind of bullshit. But home, got to get everything packed and on to the next chapter of life.